So section 12, this is the charging section under the Customs Act. If this section is removed, there is nothing left in the Customs Act. This section provides for levy and collection of tax. Which tax? You can say custom duty on import as well as export, both. So this provides for section 12 of the Customs Act. Provides for levy of customs duty on import and export of goods. Right? This is already known to you yesterday. You had seen section 12. Right? So once again, we'll refer that. So section 12 of the Customs Act provide for the levy of the custom duty on the import and export of goods. And for this, then comes rate. At which rate? As far as the rate is concerned, two issues are relevant for the purpose of rate of duty. One is
AV, assessment value.
Relevant date. So duty will be charged. So duty, there are a number of transactions in one complete transaction of import or export. Say for import, today you are placing an order. Today there is one rate. The day goods start from there, that is another rate. The goods land in India, that is the third rate. The date goods are removed, that is the fourth rate. N number of changes are possible. So as on which date duty will be relevant. Another is, where do you find the rate? And that is
CTA.
At actual rate. Where do you find the rate? So as far as the relevant date is concerned, this is governed by section 15 and section 16. These are sections of the Customs Act. Under Customs Tariff Act, how many sections are there?
13.
Tariff Act, how many sections are there?
13, sir.
13 sections, right? So this is 15, this is 16. So certainly I'm talking about the Customs Act. These are not the sections of the Customs Tariff Act. None of the provisions here relate to Customs Tariff Act. Okay. So section 15, this provides for rate of duty applicable in case of import. And this provides for rate of duty applicable in case of export. Right? And rates are given. Actual rates are available under Schedule 1 and Schedule 2. This is for import, this is for export, that is already known to you. So you need to combine two things together. Rate of duty given in Schedule 1 on this relevant date, this will be applicable.
So can you repeat, sir, please, once again?
Rate of duty given in the tariff, in the schedule, as on this relevant date will be the actual rate on which duty is payable. Section 12, what it said? Just a minute, I'll show you section 12. That will help you to grasp the things. This is here, section 12. What it says, except as otherwise provided in this act or any other law for the time being in force, duties of customs shall be levied at such rate as may be specified under the Customs Tariff Act or any other law for the time being in force on the goods imported into or exported from India. Right. And the provisions of section 1 shall apply, that is goods belonging to government. Right. So when it says any other law, it means we are talking about a law other than Customs Act and Customs Tariff Act. Right. Because Customs Tariff Act is already covered here. So this Customs Tariff Act is referred only for the purpose of rate of duty as per section 12. And when we say any other law, so this is other than Customs Act. So is there any other law other than Customs Act on which the duty is chargeable? So for example, we talked about that the social welfare cess, that is through the Finance Act 2018. Right. But for the purpose of recovery, for the purpose of collection, provisions of the Customs Act will be applicable there.
The GST is also applicable here. IGST.
Yes. That is section 37 we'll talk about. Okay. So yes, that is a good example. IGST itself is applicable. Social welfare cess is applicable. So that is not okay. So this is saying as per the rates specified under the Customs Tariff Act. Now, as far as Customs Tariff Act is concerned, that is providing for import rate here, export rate here. But as on which date? As on which date? So you need to combine these two things together. This will be combined here, and this will get combined here. Seen that? At this point, I'm not going to explain section 15 and 16 in detail. It is only we are talking about section 2 of the Customs Tariff Act, but this is the background. Without this, understanding section 2 is not easy. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as far as section 2 is concerned, what it says, the rates at which the duties of customs shall be levied under the Customs Act are specified in the first and second schedule. So that is already known to you what is there in the first schedule, what is there in the second schedule. And Customs Act Section 12, this talks about basic custom duty only, nothing else. All other duties are in the Customs Tariff Act. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can add one more line below that. Section 12 of the Customs Act provides for BCD only. All other duties are under the Customs Tariff Act. Make a note of that. Right? Now, as far as Schedule 1 is concerned, something known to you, this provides for 2 rates of duties. Which are those rates? As far as rates are concerned,
Preferential rate and the normal rate.
exactly.
The standard and concession.
Standard rates and preferential rates. What is the meaning of preferential rates?
MFN.
Importing
So
or exporting.
bilateral,
Most favored nation.
most favored nation.
Country declared by central government as most favored nation. And specific rates are given under the schedule for that. Right? So when specific rates are given, then only those rates are applicable. But the importer has to claim that he is entitled for preferential rate, and for that he will have to prove that goods are originating from the country which is most favored nation. Okay? So this is already known to you. So that's why I'm not writing it again. This is already there in a notebook. So just I'm writing one word so you can copy from the other place. Applicability. When the preferential rates are applicable. Okay, so this I'm leaving it to you. Leave some space and take a note from the other place where it is already noted. Moving to the next section.